Too early for Zumba. So, Katie is hungry. She just wanna eat pizza. As usual, I don't eat pizza. Anyhow, it's so hot outside, so better to stay inside the aircon. Ciao, ciao. Kate! She's busy, as usual.
I'm texting your doctor.
You're texting my third doctor? Who's that? Not Irish?
She's planning on dropping it on Saturday. I'm not sure.
Okay. There we go. Kuya, may straw. Straw. I'm gonna eat first. Ciao, ciao.